If you're stuck between Indexed Universal Life, aka IUL, or Term, you're not alone. My name is Blessing Ikejemba-Mowalo, and I help families build generational wealth and create their financial future. My goal is to break it down for you in this video, show you the pros and the cons and how they work so that you'll be able to make informed decisions. So what's the difference? A term insurance is, as the name sounds, temporary, covers you for 10, 20, 30 years. These policies are typically a lot more affordable because they don't cover you for life. The disadvantage is that you could outlive them. They are typically for maybe paying off your home, maybe sending kids to college, if anything were to happen to you. On the other hand, IUL is a short form for Indexed Universal Life. These are policies that cover you for the rest of your life. They typically come with cash value in addition to the death benefit, and most of them also come with living benefits. The first big difference that most people notice when it comes to IUL versus term is the cost. Term insurance typically are a lot less expensive. Let's say, for example, you have a 30-year-old lady that's getting $500,000 for 20 years. She's probably going to be paying $25 or $30 a month. If that same 30-year-old lady is getting an IUL, she's probably going to be paying $200 a month. Why? Because when they pay their premium in the permanent policy, a bigger portion of that money they paid go to their cash value bucket. That grows with compound interest. Here is where your IUL shines. Cash value. When you pay your premiums into your IUL, a chunk of it is transferred into a cash value bucket that grows with compound interest. When you need money, you can borrow from that cash value, or you can even withdraw from that cash value. And guess what? It's typically tax-free. Your term, on the other hand, does not grow cash value because it's what we call a straight life insurance. When you pay your premiums into it, the premium you pay goes straight into the cost of insurance. It does not accrue your cash value. Now, both term and Indexed Universal Life that we provide, all of them come with what we call living benefits. Living benefits is simply you have your life insurance running and you fall sick, something very serious, cancer, stroke, heart attack. Your life insurance allows you to use up to 80 or 90% of the actual death benefit when you're still alive. And both term and Indexed Universal Life, if you get the right one, comes with those living benefits also. Which of these policies is best for you? Choose term if you want the highest coverage for less premium. Let's say you have children that have not graduated college, or you have a home you have not paid off. These are temporary insurance needs that you need term to cover. Choose an IUL if you're looking for more a long-term coverage, so you want something that covers you for life, or you're interested in accruing cash value in a policy that you can potentially withdraw tax-free, or you want a policy that is going to help you support your retirement. Some of the IULs, we do what we call retirement focus. You pay to a certain age and then it starts paying you for the rest of your life. We call it lifetime income rider. So if these are the things that are more important to you, or you just want to build a lot of money in your policy so that you can withdraw it to maybe invest in real estate, make major purchases while you're still alive, if those are the things you're looking for, then an IUL is probably the best for you. Sometimes the smartest idea is actually a mix. So you can start with a term. When the kids are young, your insurance need is very high and you have a home that you haven't paid off. And then you can add an IUL as you go along, as your income increases and you want to start building wealth. We call it a blend where we give you both term and IUL. I must say the best insurance is actually the one that's active when you need it. If you need help figuring out what's best for you, or how to blend up a policy, or what mix gives you the best to meet your goals within your budget, reach out. Let's talk. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment.